Barbie dream house, pink and purple marble walls.
I am back with a 6-month update on my 30-inch 180 density 13x6 HD frontal wig from Tuneful here on Aliexpress. The link for the wig will be in the description. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the specs of the hair. Was it truly 30 inches? Yes. Was it truly 180 density? We're going to say yes. 13x6? No. The Aliexpress girlies are not giving us true 13x6. So the 6 is about here, and then right here is about 4. Okay. So moving forward for that, customer service, excellent, great. If I had a question, I got a response within about 24 hours. Shipping is about 3 to 4 days. Boom. Specs out of the way. Let's talk about the actual wig itself. The wig to me is big head friendly, and when I'm saying to me, I'm calling myself out for being big headed. Okay. So the lace itself, I truly do like their lace. This is not my first wig from Tuneful here, and each wig has blended well with my skin. My stylist has not communicated to me that there have been any issues with blending the lace. Where my issue came in with this wig is balding and shedding. So I originally got this wig in February and I had it installed. I had it in for about 4 weeks, I want to say. And this is what I was left with from my middle part.
Oh, damn. I'm sorry.
So this is what I had left after about 4 weeks with a middle part. To me, that is unacceptable. First of all, I am a bust down middle part girl, okay? I need the inches and I need that part going straight up my nose. That's me. That's me. My stylist was able to finesse the wig into a side part when I got it reinstalled in March, and that side part is still going strong. Skipping on from the balding to the shedding, as we know, shedding usually comes with tangling. So going through the hair with a wide tooth comb is my best suggestion for you. But even on those few little passes through that I just did, you can see that quite a good bit of hair came out of the wig. As I stated, I'm hoping y'all can see that too, by the way. So as I stated, for me, the shedding and the balding on this wig is a big no-no. When my stylist put this side part in, I have done less brushing and combing of the hair. I tried to not manipulate it as much as possible. I tried to apply less heat, and as you can see, from March to now in July, this middle part is still here. It's still living. So I'm not going to say that the balding wasn't user error, but I'm saying out of all the bust down middle parts that I've had, I've never been looking like I got caught in a chicken fight. This is my second wig from Tuneful here, and my first wig did not experience that extreme shedding, that extreme balding, but shedding was a common factor in their wigs. My first wig did additionally do a lot of poofing when I would go out. If I had it like straight, it just poofed right back up on me, like it's giving natural hair silk press. And tell you guys how to find good wigs on Aliexpress. So when you're on Aliexpress, you want to look at the number of reviews and the total number of orders. So for this particular wig that I'm wearing now, they currently have 1K plus reviews and 4K plus orders. And if you hover over their stars on the website, like on your laptop, you can see that 87% of their reviews are 5-star reviews. I like to change the reviews to filter them from newest to oldest, and I look at the verbiage. Is this seeming like it's an actual review? Is it broken English? Is it AAV? I look for things like that. Additionally, I'm also looking at pictures. Is this picture just screenshotted from a famous stylist? If it is, then I go to that stylist's page. If that hair company isn't tagged, then I know that this is a fake review. So you do want to use your common sense. You do want to do a little investigating. But I just want to say that there is good hair on Aliexpress. But even with good hair companies, Sometimes you just get a bad wig. It happens. You can go to your favorite restaurant 6 times, and on that 7th time, you just, there's something off. So do be mindful of that. Am I upset that it balded the way it did and I cannot get a middle part from this wig again? Absolutely. But I did get 3 installs from this wig, and the lace still looks good. It's still giving skin. So that's just my tidbit on it. Of course, it's your money. You spend it how you like, but I am just here to give y'all my opinion, my honest reviews, and tips on how to not waste your coin if you are shopping for wigs on Aliexpress. So if you have any comments, feel free to ask them in if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. If you guys have any wigs that you are hesitant about and you want me to try, feel free to drop those below in the comments as well. Thank y'all for coming back through, sticking through, and I'll see y'all next time.